guys and gals out there, this is Rockin Raffi bringing you a Valentine special edition. So, you want to make something easy and simple. We've got it for you right here. With just 3 simple ingredients, what we're going to make is a homemade peanut butter cup. We're also going to make a red raspberry jam chocolate cup. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get our chocolate jam on. We're down to the wire. So, taste testing time. We've got our peanut butter cup and we've got our raspberry cup. We're gonna go ahead, try this out, and I'll let you know what I think. The peanut butter cup, better than anything store-bought. You know what goes in it. You're making it. So you know it's all good, all pure, all natural. Now let's try the raspberry. Raspberries jamming with flavor. It really tastes like you're biting into a fresh raspberry fruit. In my previous video, we created chocolate truffles. So we went ahead and combined the chocolate truffles with the peanut butter and raspberry cups. That's all I've got for you. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your comments. I want to see those likes. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you haven't done so, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And until then, keep on rocking!